Absolutely. Let me show you how to find these jobs because there are about 350 of them on the market right now, all across Australia. The first thing that you're going to do, of course, is you're going to come into your Seek profile, and then in the what section, you're going to put HVAC. If you want a project manager role, you're going to put project manager as well. And then in the where section, you're going to put whatever state it is that you're living in or that you want to work in. To get one of these jobs in the mining industry, there's actually not that many. So you might have to potentially utilize a two-step plan of applying for every single job that meets this criteria, or just getting your foot in the door in the first place so that you can actually potentially work up to be a project manager. Obviously, you can go directly for the project manager roles, but that's exactly how you find these jobs. It's really easy. Hopefully that helps.